Hello my dear students. Today we will see a new topic in chapter 9 data handling, that is a bar graph. In previous videos we have already learned about the pictograph, that how to draw the picture from the data, and if the table is given means the data is already given in the picture form. So how to solve the question answers from that, all that things we have already learned. So now today we will learn, that is new topic, a bar graph. I know this is not a new thing for you because in the previous standard we have already done this, how to draw a bar graph, that you already know, but just we will repeat here one more time. So this is called x-axis, that you know. Okay, we have a data, that which type of data will be there in bar graph. So in this year we have purchased this much thing, so that type of data will be here. So here this is called x-axis, this is called y-axis, that you know we have, which means x-axis where we have to show, y-axis where we have to show, that everything you know. This is just for your repetition. So here one data is given. The bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. Means this is the data, that wheat which is purchased by government during 1998 to 2002. मतलब गवर्नमेंट ने हर साल कितना wheat purchase किया, that is the data given here. Now you know we have to take a scale in a bar graph, that you know that how to take a scale in a bar graph. Okay, so here we have to take a 1 unit is equal to, right, in that one box means we have to take 0 to 5 or 0 to 10, that we have to decide. Okay, याद आया जो हमने किया था वो. So here we will take 1 unit is equal to 5000 tons. Okay, ton unit you know. Okay, 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. So this is given here, that 0 to 5. 5 is means not 5 kg. This is 5000 ton about the weight. So in 1998, if the questions now, which type of questions will come regarding a bar graph? So the data will be given, okay, and from this data or a graph you have to answer the question. Okay, so which type of questions will come in a bar graph? For example, in 1998 how much quantity does the government purchase? Okay, या फिर how many tons does the government purchase, ऐसा question आता है, तो what will be your answer? So you have to see the, first of all you have to find the 1998. Okay, so suppose it is a here. Now what you will do, 1998 it ends here, right? So it is in front of the 15. Means in 1998 government purchased 50,000 tons wheat. Clear? One more example we will take. Suppose the question is about 1999. So we have to see the bar graph, and where it ends we have to observe this part. Okay? Means this is 25. So in 1995 government has purchased 25,000 tons. Clear? Suppose questions, generally this type of questions will be there, that minimum and maximum. Minimum purchase or maximum purchase. So minimum will be, so सबसे जो छोटा है वो देखना है, and the bigger one. So the smallest is 50. मतलब minimum will be 50,000 tons, maximum will be 30. Okay, if the same size of grass also given, so this type of questions will also come, that in which 2 years government has purchased same quantity. So your answer will be 2000 and 2001. So this is called a bar graph. Okay, the graph is already given, you don't have to draw, you just have to question the answer. This is exercise 9.3 question 1. This is the question of exercise 9.3, question 1. Okay, in this exercise you have I think 3 to 4 questions. Same thing is given, graph is given, questions are given. You just have to simply answer the question. Thank you.